I heard the local thrift store is having a 50% off sale today. I haven't been to the thrift store in a pretty long time. I'm getting all my sourcing elsewhere, and it's usually slim pickings there anyways. But, you know, it's a nice morning. They got a sale, so I'll check it out. And it's not too far from me, which is good.
Thank you. Right now. So, okay, that one.
Mom said they're elastic like the ones I gave her to try on, and I took her away.
That place was a madhouse. Geez, the crowd was huge. Everything was overpriced. Yeah, now I remember why I stopped going. We bought a quarter of a cow, grass-fed. We got all kinds of beef in here. We got, well, it's kind of down underneath there, but we got steaks, like sirloins, T-bones, all kinds of stuff. It's like way down in there. It takes up about half of our freezer. All right, first up, grilling out the T-bone steaks. Yeah, these are gonna cook up nice. What do you think, buddy? These things have height adjusters. I remember the first time I ever got on one, I didn't have it set right. I like went flying. Upside down.
Yeah, I got one of these at Goodwill the other day.
Oh, did you? What'd you pay for it?
$22.50 or something like that. Wasn't too bad.
Did you sell it already?
No, I think I'm gonna keep it. My back's been hurting me.
Oh man, they'll stretch you out all right. Tony, you ever been on one of these?
I have not. Don't think I care to. What's it supposed to do?
Stretch you out.
I noticed it also helps your complexion.
Oh, yeah, all the blood rushes you had.
Yeah, right. I picked this thing up for $5 over the weekend and posted it for $50, and I got a buyer already that's going to be picking it up. Not a huge money, but these things are pretty good to find if you can ever get them because they're not cheap new. One of my favorite dumpster spots to hit is Barnes & Noble bookstore. They always have really good boxes, like a variety of sizes, which is good. And I've found books, I found greeting cards, magazines, store displays. Like I found a lot of different stuff in there. And I'm lucky because my Barnes & Noble is in this long strip mall, and there's like Bath & Body Works, there's a Petco, what else is in here? Party City, Best Buy. There's like all kinds of different good stuff. So it's like a good stretch of dumpsters that I always hit. There's this big greeting card display. And it's got wheels and everything. The problem is I'm in my car. There's no way I could fit that thing in there. But they also have this box that says Hallmark. So I'm thinking there are probably some greeting cards in here somewhere. You know what? What's that? Those gift cards? All right, guys, so I've been showing you a little bit each week of kind of how we operate different aspects of, the business. This section is all pickup items, as you can see with our little sign there. And all of the flaps of paper are the invoices. And what we do is we rotate the colors. So this week it's white paper. Last week it was yellow paper. So we give the customer 1 extra week to pick up the items. Basically, when they don't pick them up the first week, we email them and say, hey, we've still got your stuff. We're going to give you 1 extra week, but then we've got a reseller to donate it. So that tells me when I come in, what's old. So for example, that little balloon one is at least 3 weeks old. So we go through and do a purge. We look through and see the blue. Obviously, there's extenuating circumstances sometimes. If somebody, is sick or ill or is out of town or there's emergencies, when they contact us, we'll make little notes like hold it, things like that. But if we can't get a hold of the people and they don't contact us and it's been 3 weeks or however long, we purge it and move on. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.